And let's just name this, well, we're gonna do like a little WordPress squeeze page or something, like what is WordPress? Now this obviously isn't a marketing video I'm trying to make here on this squeeze page. I'm just trying to show you the function of it, and I have a what is WordPress video, so we're gonna go with that. Okay, so what is WordPress? Now what goes in this area up here is going to be the title up at the very top here. So when we create the page, it's going to be the thing that's up here that people see. It's not necessarily going to be the headline, but we'll get back to that in just a moment here. Okay, so one thing that it has right here are the templates. This is where you can choose what kind of template you're going to use here. So we're going to set up, let's say, a squeeze page. You can see you got all these different ones here. Let's go with squeeze page 5. Now if you have a header for your site, you can use the header version right there, but we'll choose squeeze page 5 for this particular one. And we're not going to add anything in the content area here, at least just yet anyways. We're just going to create the basic page. So here's some page options underneath here. And again, OptimizePress is a theme, a WordPress theme, not a plugin. So these options all come with the theme. Let's scroll down here a little, and this kind of runs off the page here because I have my screen size here smaller. Let's stretch that out a little. There we go. Let's go down to, you can see you got all these headlines. You can create a headline, a pre-headline, sidebar if you have a sidebar, custom header text. I mean, there's a lot of options that it gives you here, but let's do a headline, okay? So show options on the headline, and let's just say, what is WordPress? Watch this video and find out. Okay, and you can change the color of it. Right now it's red, but you could change the color of the headline if you wanted. And you can select the font. We'll keep it with the impact and some different settings there. Here's a sub headline, and we'll just say this quick video will open your eyes. And you can change again the color, font size, and all those sorts of things. And you can have a headline below the video too, but we won't do one on this particular one here. Here's some video settings. So we're going to activate a video because I'm going to show a video on here. Now here's what's cool is that OptimizePress lets you embed video very easy. So you can use the video URL right here. You can enter in if you use an Amazon account, S3 account, and usually it's the same link that you'll put in here, but if you made a compatible iPad or iPhone video, you can paste that link in right here. And then we have video still image. If there's just an image preview you want on there, then for the on top of the video you can put that right here. Usually on squeeze pages you just have the video start right away, but not always. And then if you have like a YouTube video or something, you can paste embed code here. Also, if you're like me and you make a lot of use of the Easy Video Player program, you could paste the information right here, the embed code that Easy Video Player gives you. Just make sure that you have your width and your height right for the theme that you're using here, the page theme that you're using. And you can have like autoplay and all those sorts of things. So, okay, I have an Amazon S3 account, and I'm going to just paste in my S3 video right here. And the great thing is that OptimizePress will automatically resize the video for you if you're using Amazon S3 here. So let me pull that up here real quick. Okay, I've gone and copied the URL. So let me hit Control V, and you can see here this is in my Amazon S3 account here. All right, and you could scroll down here and there's a lot more options. that you could do. There's the opt-in customization. So you have some opt-in arrows. You can have the hand-drawn blue, the red arrow, animated, static red. Let's go with the hand-drawn red arrows. Or let's go with the blue arrows since the headline is going to be red. And here's the opt-in code that you would use for your opt-in. If you're using, let's say, Amazon, or I'm sorry, not Amazon, but Aweber, you just paste your code in right here. It's very easy. And you can see down here you got some more options, but you can add like ebook covers or an e-cover or something like that. So anyways, this is enough to get us started. So let's scroll on up here and let's click the preview here. And there it is. Now this video is actually, the actual size of this video is 854 by 480. And you can see that OptimizePress went ahead and resized it for me. Now if you're using Easy Video Player, you're going to have to do the correct size in the Easy Video Player because it just stays big. But if you're just pasting straight from Amazon, it does it for you. But you can see we already created here the page, and if I show you here, this is where that title was, right? What is WordPress? So that's this part right here. That goes in the top right here, the title of the website. And then the headline is right here. And this was the sub headline. And we have the opt-in here. And you can put text up above here or something like that. You know, let's scroll down. Well, let's add some bullet points. How about that? So I'm going to type in some bullet points here. Okay, there's some bullet points. And if I hit, because there's a lot of options, you can scroll through here to have to find options. I just do this, Control F, search for the word bullet, and you'll get right to it. There it is. Overall page settings. Okay, so the bullets we're going to use, let's use the green plus for the bullet, and you'll see what that looks like in just a moment here. And then we said that we're going to do in the opt-in area. Okay, here's the opt-in area, opt-in customization, and opt-in headline options. And we could put in a headline here. Opt-in to get more videos. Okay, now these aren't great headlines by any means. I'm just trying to show you some functionalities of OptimizePress. So we'll go ahead and hit preview here. Okay, I'll pause the video, and you can see here's where that headline came in right here, and there's the bullets underneath the video. So it's very customizable, OptimizePress. This is just one page here. I mean, you could set up, let's see a different squeeze here. Let's go with squeeze 2. Hit preview. And here's the other template that we have here. So it's got the arrow that looks like this, got your bullet points down here, and automatically adds the copyright. And you can add a footer in there as well, which is always good to have your disclosure and disclaimer, you know, those sorts of things, privacy policy. Google obviously likes to see those. But anyways, that's just a quick little overview of what's inside OptimizePress. Click the link below this video here in the description area on YouTube, and that will take you to my blog where I've got a much more in-depth article on using OptimizePress and marketing, some marketing tips in there, and I'll see you there.